Hey there, everyone. Today, I'm feeling particularly productive, and I've just finished cleaning our bathroom and bookshelves. It's time to treat myself to something sweet and cozy. A cup of latte and a slice of cake. Now, I know what you're thinking, but aren't you supposed to be on a diet? Well, I'm here to tell you that it's okay to indulge every once in a while. Life is all about balance, and sometimes that means enjoying a little treat. So, I'm going to bake a delicious cake, and I'm going to have a cup of latte. I'll be honest, I'm not the best baker, but I'm sure it'll turn out just fine. I'm excited to see how it turns out, and I'm sure you'll love it too. Wow, this is perfect. Looks so good. Later on, we're going out to have lunch at Thai restaurant, one of my favorite restaurant in the town. I have pad Thai for lunch and Steve having a curry with rice. Yum. Then we're done back to our house, and this is the view. At backyard of where we live. Amazing clouds, stunning view. Thanks for joining me on this little adventure, and I hope you're inspired to treat yourself every once in a while. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fun and positive content. Until next time, stay productive and enjoy the little things in life.